Hi, I'm Carolyn. I'm the founder of Carolyn's Facial Fitness, Facelift Through Exercise, and Carolyn's Facial Formulas Nourishing Skincare. I'll be 75 years old in just 3 months. I'd like to talk to you today about our conditioner. Now, I love this conditioner. People don't realize that hair is really not alive. Only the bulb, where the cell, where the strand of the hair comes out, that's alive. So you have to coat the hair, and this coats the hair beautifully. It's really good for damaged hair, for gray hair, for fine hair, thick hair, curly hair. It's good for all kinds of hair, but it really and truly just coats it and makes it lively, doesn't weigh it down. You can see my hair is nice and light, and I have a rinse on my hair, so it would be getting probably dry without this conditioner. And I use the shampoo and conditioner, and it has a lot of vitamins in it, and it seals the moisture in. So I highly recommend it, and I hope you give it a try.